CLUJ County has one of the highest quality drinking waters in Romania. Who produces it? How it reaches our homes? What happens to wastewater? Are questions that we, the SEWERAGE Water Company, can answer. Annually, a complex system of plants, wastewater, treatment, processing and pumping plants, produce over 30 million cubic meters of water. It is a technological and human effort that in the end results in the delivery of the best quality drinking water, analyzed and certified according to the most rigorous standards. Our company serves over 900,000 inhabitants in 8 municipalities or cities and over 260 rural localities. In order to modernize and expand, by the end of 2019 we have attracted European funds worth 650 million euros. And soon, 99% of the population of CLUJ County will be connected to the water and sewerage system. All new systems being technically executed with the best and most modern equipment. Environmental protection is a component that we consider of utmost importance, as we are also a major producer of green energy from the sludge resulting from water treatment, the use of solar panels, or the operation of the Tarnica micro-hydropower plant. Everything we do is organized with the utmost strictness. There is no room for error. We look for the best solutions, we mobilize, and we are prompt when we are needed. We are the SEWERAGE Water Company, and together we are CLUJ County.